Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you my review of the HP Omen 16. So without any further ado, let's get started. So with the HP Victus, HP has introduced a new budget gaming laptop. However, that just feels as though it's making the Omen series completely obsolete because of it. The HP Omen 16 changes that and breathes new life into the Omen series by making it a premium laptop with everything that you would need on a gaming laptop. This time, you get a 16-inch display, which gives you a much better gaming experience than the older 15-inch displays, and it also comes with many different price variants. So in this review, we'll be looking into the main aspects of the laptop, including its build quality and design, port selection and input, keyboard and trackpad, sound, display, performance, thermals and battery life. So the first aspect that we'll be looking into will be the build quality and design of the laptop. The build and design haven't changed much from the older Omen 15 to a point where it isn't even much bigger, even after going from a 15 to a 16-inch screen. HP has managed to make the bezel small and thin, which not only makes the size smaller but also makes the viewing experience better and more immersive. The base consists almost exclusively of blackened metal and the display frame is made of hard plastic. While the metal base bends slightly under some pressure and the display is also prone to twisting, the overall first impression of the build quality is still quite solid. The lid opens up with one hand and the weight and thickness are also not bad for a gaming laptop at 2.4 kg and a thickness of 23mm. Overall, the laptop looks sleek and clean with minimalist Omen and HP branding and is one of the better looking gaming laptops out. The port selection and input on the laptop are also really solid with 3 USB 3.0 Type A ports, a USB-C port with Thunderbolt 4 support, a mini display port, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, an SD card reader, a headphone microphone combo jack and power in. This includes pretty much everything you would need on your gaming laptop or even editing laptop. The keyboard and trackpad on the laptop are also really good. The keyboard is a lot more spacious this time around because it removes the number pad and it just looks a lot more organized in a way due to the extra spacing between the keys. The tactile feel and responsiveness still stay though, and it feels good when both gaming as well as typing out a long essay. One gripe I do have here, which isn't that big, is that the position of the power and delete keys are quite odd, especially the power button as it is right between two keys, which can sometimes lead to misclicks that will turn off your laptop. The trackpad is also of a good size and features good gliding even at slow speeds, and the clicks provide good feedback. The stereo speakers on this can get fairly loud and offer balanced mids and treble. Naturally, they're lacking in terms of bass, but as a laptop, it does not disappoint. The display on the laptop is excellent. The display here is a 16.1-inch Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate. The panel on the Omen 16 is a significant improvement over the Omen 15 in terms of both colors and brightness, and here the Omen 16 reaches the brightness level of almost 400 nits with an illumination of 87%, which is a decent result. The 144Hz also makes gaming a much smoother experience, resulting in you playing better in competitive games and just feeling more responsive and snappier in day-to-day use as well. Overall, I like the display here and have little to no complaints. The performance on the laptop is also really good. The specs on this include an Intel Core i7-11800H CPU, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, a 1TB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 GPU. These specs allow you to run any program, game, or editing software without slowdowns. Gaming at 1080p at high FPS is easily doable, and editing 4K videos is also not a problem at all. The 1TB SSD, the 11th-gen CPU, and the RTX GPU are the main reasons for this, and this model right here should be more than enough for all high-end needs. The thermals are also sufficient in most testing scenarios. The noise output when at idle is none, and even while gaming it stays quieter than other gaming laptops. Temperatures are also the same, where it stays at decent temperatures even while gaming, occasionally thermal throttling a little when reaching higher temperatures than 75 degrees Celsius. Essentially, thermals are nothing to worry about and the laptop runs fine. The battery life is great for a gaming laptop. Medium usage with medium brightness without gaming lets the laptop run around 7 to 8 hours, and that is much better than most gaming laptops, including the Victus 16. So the final verdict for the HP Omen 16 is that it is a great step up over the Omen 15 in the right direction and is still a great option for anyone looking for a gaming laptop. This laptop proves that the Victus series doesn't make the Omen series obsolete, and for anyone looking for a higher end gaming laptop, the HP Omen 16 is a great purchase. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.